Welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you calculating age in Microsoft Excel. We will cover not just years, but also months, days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and even weeks. Let's assume your date of birth is 27 July 1987. Now age in years. Go to cell C6 and type the formula as equals to DATEDIF, open the parentheses, select the cell C4, comma, today, open the parentheses and close the parentheses, comma, in the inverted quotes type Y to calculate number of years and then close the parentheses and press enter. You will get the result like this as 36. Age in months. In cell C7, type formula as equals to DATEDIF, open the parentheses, select C4, comma, today, comma, in the inverted quotes, this time we have to give M to calculate months. Close the parentheses and press enter. You will see the result as 436. Okay. Now age in days. In cell C8, type the formula as equals to DATEDIF, open the parentheses, C4, comma, today, comma, now in the inverted quotes type D and close the parentheses and press enter to see the result as 13285 days. Okay. Now let's see age in hours. Simply in cell C9 type equals to C8 into 24. So this is how it gets calculated in hours. Now age in minutes, simply in cell C10 type equals to C9 into 60 minutes. Okay. Now age in seconds, repeat the same process in cell C11 type equals to C10 into 60. Okay. Now in age in milliseconds, in cell C12 type equals to C11 into 1000 because 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Okay. Now age in weeks, in cell C13 type equals to C8 divided by 7 because 1 week contains 7 days. So it is 1898 number of weeks is the age. And finally, to find the day that you were born, type in cell C14 equals to text, open the parentheses, select the cell C4, comma, in the inverted quotes type 4 times D and close the parentheses and press enter. You will see the result as Monday. It's awesome, right? Now you have got a comprehensive set of age-related calculations. These formulas take your birth date and dynamically calculate your age in various units. Feel free to adapt these formulas for your own use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.